Let's look at a lesson from Savi Kannada, grade 1. The name of this lesson is Shankarappana Mane. Mane means house and Shankarappa is name of a person. So Shankarappa's house. Now let's look at the lesson. Shankarappana Mane. Shankarappa's house. Sanjaya Samaya. Sanjay is evening. Samaya is time. So it was in the evening. ಮನೆಯ ಬಾಗಿಲ ಬಳಿ ವೀಣಾ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಳು. ಮನೆಯ ಬಾಗಿಲ ಬಳಿ means near the door. ಬಾಗಿಲ is door, house. ಮನೆ is house. So near the door of the house, ವೀಣಾ was standing. ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಳು means standing. ಆಟವಾಡಲು ಅವಳು ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದಿದ್ದಳು. So ಆಟವಾಡಲು means to play. ಅವಳು is she. ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗಾಗಿ for friends. ಕಾದಿದ್ದಳು is waiting. She was waiting for her friends because she wanted to play. ಆಗ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಅವರು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರು. And while she was waiting for her friends, then Mahadeva came to their house. ಮಹಾದೇವ ಅವರು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರು. So Mahadeva came to their house. ಮಹಾದೇವ ಅವರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ವೀಣಾ ಸಂತಸಗೊಂಡಳು. And when Veena saw Mahadeva, she felt happy. ಸಂತಸಗೊಂಡಳು means she felt happy. ನೋಡಿದ is saw. As soon as she saw Mahadeva, she felt happy. ಬನ್ನಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಂದು ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಳು. ಬನ್ನಿ means come. ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ is uncle. So come uncle, come. She said and she took him inside. ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ. ಮನೆ is house, ಒಳಗೆ is inside. ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ together. ಮನೆ and ಒಳಗೆ, the two words are combined and it has become as ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ. So ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ is inside the house. So she called him inside the house. ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಹೇಳಿದಳು. She told him to sit down. ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳು means to sit. ಕುಡಿಯಲು ನೀರು ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು. She got him some water to drink. ಕುಡಿಯಲು means to drink and ನೀರು is water. ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು means she got it and gave it to him. ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸಿದಳು. And with a lot of love and affection, she asked him about his well-being, about how he was doing. So ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ is like asking, are you doing fine? Are you well? How are you? Like that. ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿದಳು. ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ means ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ's wife. Okay, the father's younger brother is called as Chikkappa. His wife is called as Chikkamma, and their son will be cousin for Gauri. So there is no separate word as cousin brother. Okay, in English we say cousin, but in Kannada even cousin is called as Tamma. Okay, so she ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. She inquired about aunt and the cousin brother as well. ವೀಣಾಳ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಸಂತಸವಾಯಿತು. So on listening to Veena's words and the way she was talking, uncle felt very happy. ಮಹಾದೇವ ಅವರು ಅಣ್ಣ ಶಂಕರಪ್ಪನವರನ್ನು ಗೃಹ ಪ್ರವೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸಿದರು. So the reason why Mahadeva had gone to their house was to invite his elder brother. Veena's father Shankarappa is the elder brother of Mahadeva. Okay, so Mahadeva had gone there to invite Shankarappa and his family for the housewarming ceremony. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದು ಅನಂತರ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೊರಡಲು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾದರು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು for some time, for a little time. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದು he stayed there only. In Shankarappa's house only he was sitting for some time. ನಂತರ is later, afterwards. ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೊರಡಲು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾದರು. He got ready to return back to his house. ವೀಣಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದಳು. So ವೀಣಾ gave a good farewell, a good send off to him. Then ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮನನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮನನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಲು ಮರೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲ. And she did not forget to tell him. Marayalilla means did not forget. She did not forget to tell uncle that next time, once again when you come to my house, please get aunt and younger brother. So this is the lesson Shankarappana Mane.